hand me a piece of paper with a damn white man on. This is what this pistol for. Yes, I'm scared of fighting man. Don't fight crime, just save a hoe. I'm Spider-Man. Pull you off that stripping pole. Stuff you in his house from there. You say you like Sandy Boss. I thought you said Vicodin. But we still so very far. Feel that beat like Michael did. I know from the very side. That's who I like to get. Okay, yes, I beat the girl. But I ain't straight up fight the bitch. Still I will not let her go. She gotta see this life and live. Across the highway, roller stone. Feel I wanna wipe the kids. Way down low where freaks be out. Please understand what a pussy is. Got a lot of that one. Just can't end it.